Okay, I finally figured out how to get my GPIO communicating with the relay and the relay working properly. This is the code that I have. Very simple. Now here, I can get some better light, I don't know. What I have here is a mess of wire, because I don't have, it's just a temporary setup. I want to figure out how to get it done properly. But the trick is not to have a ground or a neutral wire going back to the Raspberry Pi. If you watched any other videos, they usually don't have the model where you have your supply voltage of 5 volts coming through this orange wire here from a separate USB supply, which was just an old USB cable that I didn't need anymore. So I put the neutral or the negative wire here, and then the positive one here, because it says ground on the PCB, and then over here you have, where is it here, if I can focus on that. And I removed the jumper that was on here. It's the iPhone there, I don't know if we're gonna get it. There it goes. Okay. And now I'll run the code. Run module. Hopefully it'll work. There we go. So now if I plug in this element for my coffee maker, it will work. That is all.